Global War 36 enthusiast here with Operation Skyfall, turn 4.7, Italy. It is January 1938. Italy has one tech roll. I tried for radar at a 7 or higher. PB generated a 6, so I failed. Purchases. Italy has 17 IPP to spend. I'm going to purchase 1 Marines for 4. Begin construction of a fleet carrier for 5, that's 9. And lend-lease 1 air transport to the Spanish nationalists for 8, that's 17. Combat movement, none. Non-combat movement. From southern Italy, that infantry and motorized infantry are going to strategic rail move to northern Italy. From C-Zone M6, 1 naval transport will move down to M4, pick up 2 of the 3 infantry from Tobruk and drop them off in southern Italy. Get out of guy. Oh, I know what I should do. I should have this guy, and then I'll chip this. 2 birds, 1 stone. Okay. So right now, well, I'll do disposition at the end of the turn. All right, and then from C-Zone M8, I've got this. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't show that naval transport going down to Tobruk and picking up 2 infantry from there. I should have had that on camera. From here in M8, this naval transport will go down to I5, pick up the 2 infantry here in Eritrea, go back up to M8, and drop them off in Tobruk. Let's get that on camera. Adding 2 infantry, 2 ships here to Tobruk. The net effect is the 2 guys in Eritrea teleported to southern Italy. All right, I think those are my only 2. Well, I had the rail. Okay, placement of units. I'm going to put my Marines in northern Italy. I'm going to start construction of the fleet carrier. It'll be on stage 2, I guess that is. Let me double check can't remember how the build queue. Oh no, I guess I put it on stage 3. That's where it goes. Okay, so there's an Italian fleet carrier on stage 3. I've got 2 more stages of that. And then the lend-lease of the air transport, it'll start off in northern Italy. It'll go out of the port there, debark in northern Italy, and then it's going to come down here to western Andalusia and go in that major port in western Andalusia. Okay, so that's the only change in Spain, is the addition of that air transport. Let's do disposition here of the Italian forces. In northern Italy, I have 4 infantry, 2 mountain infantry, 1 Marines, 1 motorized infantry, 1 fighter, 1 tactical bomber. In Rome, I have 4 militia, 1 seaplane. In southern Italy, I have 2 infantry. In C-Zone M6, I have the naval transport. In C-Zone M4, same naval fleet, battleship, heavy cruiser, light cruiser, 4 destroyers, torpedo boat destroyer. In M8, I've got that naval transport. In Tobruk, I've got a militia, 3 infantry, and a fighter. In Abyssinia, I've got cavalry. In Italian Somaliland, I have 2 militia. In I4, I have a Italian submarine. Okay, next up, I collect 10 income. Next up is Boston Bruce with 4.8 KMT and 4.9 USA.